Some people can't speak and use communication software to create speech. Handshake is designed for people who need to use communication software who, for whatever reason, are unable to use existing controls to access the software, but can still make an intentional hand, wrist or arm motion. The BBC Microbit is a small circuit board which is provided to British schools for students to learn how to program. I use this board as it has all of the features that I need. It is cheap, it is easily available, and it is safe. Handshake consists of two microbits. One is one on the wrist. I call this the transmitter. When the transmitter is shaken, it sends a signal to a second microbit, the receiver, which connects to a laptop or a PC through a USB port. The receiver then sends a signal through the USB port. Software running on the laptop detects this signal and sends a trigger to control communication software or environmental controls or whatever else you want to control. For the Handshake project, I use the microbit's accelerometer to detect the shake motion. Two buttons on the microbit are used to adjust how strong a shake is needed to trigger a detection. The LEDs are used to indicate both the threshold needed to trigger a detection, these are the faint LEDs, and how strong a shake is being detected, those are the brighter LEDs. My microbit has a radio that enables communication between the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter is powered by two AAA batteries which will last for several days. The receiver is powered through the USB connector. All of the tools needed to program the board are available for free. Now you can use an off-the-shelf iPod Classic armband to safely secure the transmitter to a wrist or arm, or you can make your own. Handshake was tested at Beaumont College with two students. Initial testing involved having a light activate in response to an intentional hand or arm movement. Now I designed Handshake to help with controlling switchable software. Making a light activate was seen as a first stage to learning how to use Handshake as a switch. A physiotherapist told me that just activating a light with hand motion is of use in itself, as this can be used to help some people associate an intentional action with an external change. If you want to replicate this project, all of the code and instructions are freely available on my project website along with my other assistive technology projects. A microbit can be bought for around £12, so replicating this project is straightforward and cheap. The need for this project was identified at Beaumont College, Lancaster, which is a specialist educational institute with about 100 students. The project was developed at InfoLab 21, Lancaster University, where I have an honorary researcher position. Thank you for watching.